Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a grid logo, using the line segment tool and shape builder tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the rectangle tool. Hold Alt and Shift and draw a rectangle. Change the fill color to the stroke color from here. And increase the stroke thickness to around 5 pt. OK, after that, select the line segment tool. Draw a line from here. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And place it here. After that, select the rectangle tool. And draw a little rectangle from this line to this line. And change it to fill color. One more from this line to this line. OK, now hold Shift and select these two shapes. Hold Shift and rotate. And intersect with this line. Now, select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And intersect this shape. One more with this shape. Now select these two shapes and press Delete. After that, select the line segment tool. And draw a line from here. Like this. OK. Hold Shift and draw a line from here. OK. Now select this. Hold Alt and copy. And place it like this. Now press Ctrl+D to automatically other copies. Do this in the same way. After that, hold Shift and select this all line. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the Transform, Reflect, and Copy. After that, drag and place it like this. OK. Now select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now click and drag. Zoom in. Join every small part carefully. After that, select this, and drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. Now select this with the eyedropper tool. Pick this color. Now select all, and go to the stroke panel, and increase the stroke thickness. And go to the object, expand, and click OK. Go to Pathfinder, and Compound, OK. Our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked this video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.